So I graduated, I moved to Chicago, I got a really big job, and my drinking changed from like drinking every day to drinking, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I changed from drinking hard alcohol and beer and whatever to like Kim Crawford Sauvignon Blanc. So like that's sophisticated and perfect. Maybe a glass of Pinot Noir. If you drink fancy wine, then you're sophisticated. And that's what I wanted to be. I wanted to be sophisticated, and I wanted to be at the happy hours. And before I had kids, that's kind of what we did. I met this guy, we got engaged, we both had good jobs, and we did like tour day Chicago happy hours / restaurant style every night. It's what we did. We connected over food and wine. And then I became a mom, and I couldn't drink for 9 months. And it was the first time it was like, oh, okay, well, that sort of sucks. That's lame. But it wasn't a big problem, right? Like I could stop and it was fine. However, when I had my first son, I brought champagne to the hospital. Like, when they're like, pack your hospital bag, you need pajamas and a thing for the baby. And I'm like, and champagne, obviously. Hello.
Right.
So like I have this baby at 9 a.m. and I'm like, woo! Party time, it's 9:05. Like, can we talk about what a brand new mom breastfeeding should not be doing? Probably not drinking alcohol.
Right.
Probably not. But again, we celebrate in society with like, let's have champagne. Congrats on the baby. Everyone sort of thought it was cute and fancy. And it's like, if you make drinking cute, then it's okay.